Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is salamander chase melters. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 71 and 3/4 inches, almost 72 inches. And the depth of the unit, it's about like a 20 inches depth. And the overall heights, they are about like 19 inches tall. So as we can see the inner side, we can see they have two layers. You can adjust the shelving heights, and they do having the fire controls right here, one on this side and the one on the other side. And also from the manufacturers, they give you a regulators to convert right here. And from the behinds, we can see they have the pad connections. It's mounted right here at this position. And for the inner side dimensions, shelvings, it's about like a 15.5 inches deep. And the entire length, it's about like a 66.5 inches wide. For this clearance height entries, it's about like 11 inches in total. And also on the other side, we do have stickers. They come in with the EPL sanitation stickers on the side. It's mounted right on this position. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.